There are many myths in our universe, some known and some unknown. So we are going to tell you about some myths related to our universe. Myths of our universe by Never-Ending Knowledge. So today's myth is going to be, how will our universe end? We are going to discuss about amazing theories which you can't believe but are true and our universe may end. So we are going to discuss about three very fascinating theories. Let us start. The first theory is open universe. Studies suggest that the universe will expand forever. As it expands, the matter it contains will spread and become thinner and thinner. The galaxies will exhaust their resources to make new stars. The existing stars will slowly fade. Instead of a fiery structure, the galaxies will transform into coffins filled with dust and dead stars. Then the universe will become dark, cold, and eventually lifeless. Which means that our universe will keep expanding. While it expands, it will take away all the materials, resources, and things from other parts of the universe, like the galaxies and stars, to expand. So while it is using all of these resources, the galaxies will exhaust their resources. And a day will come when no resources is left in the universe to expand. There will be no galaxies. The universe will be lifeless, completely dark. Not even stars, not even humans. Let us see another myth, which looks very scary. The Big Crunch. You have heard of the Big Bang, an explosion which created our universe. But have you heard about the Big Crunch? This is an Einstein's theory. The theory suggests that the universe expansion will stop at a certain point and will begin to collapse itself, pulling everything with it unit until it is transformed into the biggest black hole. To predict with certain possibility of Big Crunch, scientists must first determine definite properties of the universe such as density. They believe that if density is larger than a particular value called critical density, the final collapse is possible, which means that the Big Crunch may happen if based on the density. If the Big Crunch happens, then our universe will end. So our universe starts with a Big Bang. With the Big Bang, new galaxies form. Then the universe expands. Now the universe is in period of expansion. Once when the universe has expanded the maximum, it can't expand anymore. Then it turns into a black hole. A very big black hole. Then finally it collapses and leading another Big Bang to restart the whole process. So this is like a cycle. Humans can't survive, but the galaxy will keep be forming black holes. They'll die. Again a new Big Bang. Again the galaxies will get formed. So this is like a never-ending cycle. Then we have the multi-universe theory. This is a very fascinating theory. This theory states that there will be no end to the universe. It states that when our universe was created, there were hundreds of universes or multiple universes. They were all in different stages of existence. When our universe will end, there will be another universes that will still go on and newer universes that will be created. Which means there are billions of universes. If one universe dies, another universe is created. So this process keeps going on. Universes die, they again get created. But this theory is not sure if it is true or not, as scientists have been studying this for many years. So now I feel you are very excited to know how the universe will end. There are many other theories, but I am going to tell you only 3 theories today. If you want more theories about the universe, like, share and subscribe to this channel for our next video based on theories of the universe. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the video.